Hello guys, Nico Nomad here. Welcome to the Coinbase tutorial. We're gonna cover everything you need to know when buying Bitcoin. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go to my description and find my Coinbase link. Click on that and it will show up this screen. Nicholas, that's me, invited you to Coinbase. If you buy $100 or more, you will receive $10 of free Bitcoin. So let's here type in your first name, last name, your email address, and I'm just putting some random stuff in here just for example, and select your password. So click certify and create account. Now it will show up this screen and you need to verify your email. So click on the link inside the email to get started. So after it will ask you for your phone number. So you can select your country and type in your number and click send code. It will show up this screen. You will receive an SMS, type in the code that you get and click submit. So it will show up this screen. So you have already confirmed your email address and confirmed your phone number. If you want it to make as secure as possible, enable two-factor authentication before you buy. Now we need to verify your identity. So you will upload your document, which can be passport, driver's license, or photo ID. Click on the one that you want and put in all your info. You will also be required to take a photo of yourself to verify that it's really you. So after you verify your identity, you should go to add payment method. So click here and it will show up this screen. So you need to either add a bank account or a debit card. Coinbase is actually phasing out credit cards, so you may not be able to buy with credit cards in the future. But debit cards, it's still available. And probably the easiest method. So click here, debit card, and here you will select your country, your address, and type in your city and postal code and click add billing address. Now you gotta link your debit card, so you put the name as it is on the card, your card number, it will automatically select if it's Visa or MasterCard, your expiration date, and the 3-digit code on the back of your card. Postal code is not required, so just click add card after you fill the information. And now you can already buy Bitcoin. So you will click here at the top, buy/sell, click buy, and it will show up here. You will select Bitcoin. Payment method, in our example, it's debit card. So let's say you want to buy 500 euro, it will be the equivalent of 0.05 and this of Bitcoin. And it says buy Bitcoin instantly because as soon as you pay, you will receive your Bitcoin in your BTC wallet. Don't forget to click my link down below to get the $10 of free Bitcoin when you buy $100 or more. So after you click buy Bitcoin, this page will show up and here you can review if everything is okay. You can see the fee. It should be about 4% for debit cards. So if everything is okay, you will click confirm buy. And now we have it. Now it will show that you have already bought Bitcoin when you click on accounts. And for each crypto, you will have a different wallet. And now it will show the amount of Bitcoin that you have. So it should be around here. And you can click send to send your Bitcoin to your own personal address, to BitMEX or to Binance, depending on what you want to do with your Bitcoin. I don't recommend leaving your Bitcoin on Coinbase because Coinbase gives all your information to the government. And so I prefer to be anonymous or at least pseudonymous. So I want to trade somewhere else. And also the fees will be lower there. My favorite is BitMEX and I keep most of my Bitcoin there. So now you will click send and it will show up here. You will type in your Bitcoin address that you want to send. It will be a very long code with a lot of letters and numbers. So make sure to copy that so you don't make any mistake. And here you can select the amount of Bitcoin in euro or just in Bitcoin. I like to send everything, so I just put here all the Bitcoin that I have. And it will show up here how much you're going to send and the fee of the network. Here it should be around $1, maybe $2. It doesn't matter the amount of Bitcoin that you have. So you will click continue after you put in your address. Make sure it's a BTC address. Don't send your Bitcoin to some other address. And it will show up on the address that you sent. So that is the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them below and I will do my best to answer all of them. Thank you for watching. If you like Bitcoin, if you want to know more about Bitcoin, I will be making a lot of videos about it. So consider subscribing, like the video, and I will see you next time.